In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a dope producer tag with AI, realistic and human sounding. The first thing you want to do is write a short producer tag. Keep it simple, memorable, and quick, usually somewhere around 2 to 6 words. Short tags tend to hit harder and are easier for listeners to remember. Once you have your phrase, choose an AI voice generator that offers natural sounding voices, especially if you want something polished enough for real music releases. It's also smart to make sure the tool allows commercial use if you plan to monetize your tracks. Next, choose a realistic voice. Listen for something that feels conversational, with natural pronunciation and believable emotion. When you write the line into the generator, make sure the wording feels casual instead of stiff or overly formal. Small punctuation changes can also help guide a more human delivery. Then add emotion to the prompt so the voice performs the line the way you want. You might go for whispered and mysterious, confident and energetic, playful and cocky, dark and cinematic, smooth and seductive, or aggressive and hyped. After that, generate several versions. Don't stop at the first one. Try different voices, tones, speeds, and deliveries so you have options to compare. Then listen carefully and choose the most natural take. Pay attention to pauses, emphasis, pronunciation, and even subtle breathing. If one version sounds too robotic or over-processed, skip it. Once you find the best take, download the highest quality audio available. WAV is the best choice if you have it, since you'll probably be doing more processing later. Now open FL Studio and create a new project. Import your AI voice by dragging the file into the playlist or the channel rack. From there, clean up the recording using Edison, remove unwanted silence or noise, and trim the beginning and end so the tag starts and stops cleanly. Next, shape the sound with EQ using Fruity Parametric EQ2. Cut unnecessary low frequencies and make careful adjustments so the voice sounds clear. Add compression to even out the dynamics and bring quieter parts forward, then use a little subtle saturation or distortion to give the voice some character and help it feel less sterile. After that, experiment with pitch effects to create a signature sound while keeping the words understandable. Add a bit of reverb with Fruity Reverb 2 for space, but keep it controlled if you want the tag to stay punchy. Then use Fruity Delay 3 to add an echo, especially on the final word or phrase. You can automate those effects too, so the delay or reverb grows at the end and trails nicely into the beat. To make the tag even more unique, try layering it with a quiet pitch down, pitched up, whispered, or reversed version. Then place the tag strategically, like before a drop or during the intro, where it adds to the track without becoming distracting. Adjust the volume so it's recognizable but not overpowering. Finally, export the finished tag as a WAV file and keep an unprocessed version saved for future projects.